Hello, learners. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. I'm your IELTS coach, and today's topic is something we all can relate to. Describe a teacher who inspired you.
Oh, wow. I already know who I'll talk about. My English teacher. She gave me detention and motivation at the same time.
That's what I call tough love. All right, let's practice how to answer this cue card naturally for IELTS Speaking Part 2, storytelling style. Here's your question. Describe a teacher who inspired you. You should say who this teacher was, what subject they taught, what special qualities they had, and explain how they inspired you. You'll have 1 minute to think and then 2 minutes to speak like the real IELTS test.
1 minute to think? I'll need 1 hour.
You'll be fine. Let's imagine the clock is ticking and go.
I'd like to talk about my English teacher, Mrs. Rahman. She taught me in high school and completely changed how I saw learning. At first, I was really shy and afraid to speak English, but she always encouraged me to talk, even if I made mistakes. She said, "Mistakes mean you're learning." What made her special was her sense of humor and kindness. She never shouted, but her eyes could stop a noisy class instantly. She inspired me because she believed in every student. Thanks to her, I started to love English, and that's one reason I'm preparing for IELTS today.
That was beautiful, Rena. Your story felt real and heartfelt. Now, let's polish it for band 8 plus. Add emotional vocabulary like motivated, encouraged, influential, transformative. Use connecting phrases like to be honest, what I admired most, because of that. Use idioms like she went the extra mile or she lit a spark in me. Example improved version. To be honest, Mrs. Rahman was more than just a teacher. She was a mentor. What I admired most was her patience. She went the extra mile to help every student. Because of her, I realized that learning can be joyful, not stressful.
Oh, wow, that sounds so elegant, like a movie speech.
Exactly. IELTS loves stories that sound natural but meaningful. Hey, IELTS warriors, if you're enjoying this practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Guide, and share it with your study group. Every week, we bring you new IELTS podcast lessons that feel like fun conversations, not lectures. Now, let's listen to a model Band 8 answer. I'd like to describe my English teacher, Mrs. Rahman, who taught me in high school. She had a calm personality, but an amazing ability to inspire students. What I admired most was her unique teaching style. She used real-life stories to explain grammar, which made learning enjoyable. She often told us English is not just a subject, it's a bridge to the world. Those words stayed with me. Because of her, I developed confidence in speaking English and decided to continue improving. I'd say she truly lit the spark that changed my learning journey.
Wow, that's so natural and emotional.
Exactly. Notice how it's personal, structured, and full of feelings. That's the key to high band scores. Let's break it down. 1. Structure. Start with who the teacher was, then what they did. Using so connects the result. Next, you show authentic feelings like I felt inspired. 2. Fluency. Speak naturally, don't memorize. 3. Grammar. Mix tenses. Past plus present reflection. 4. Vocabulary. Use emotional and descriptive words. 5. Pronunciation. Use tone to express emotion. It makes you sound confident. Tip. When you speak with emotion, you sound more fluent even if your grammar isn't perfect.
So I should practice speaking with feelings, not just words?
Exactly. IELTS isn't testing your heart, but it loves hearing it.
Teacher, if I ever become famous, I'll dedicate my IELTS score to Mrs. Ramen.
That's the spirit. And don't forget your second favorite teacher, me.
Of course, you're the YouTube version of Mrs. Ramen.
Aw, that's the best compliment ever. Thank you, Rena. And that's all for today's episode of Mr. English Guide. We explored IELTS Speaking Part 2, describe a teacher who inspired you, learned powerful storytelling, and added emotional depth. If you enjoyed this practice, like, comment your favorite teacher's name, subscribe for more friendly IELTS podcasts. Next episode, IELTS Speaking Part 3, Education and Modern Learning Systems. Stay tuned.